Hi, and welcome to my Nutrition for Inflammation course, Tour de Nutrition. This course is designed for people who are new to nutrition and need something simple and easy to understand to introduce them to a healthier lifestyle with a focus on nutrition for inflammation, helping you to understand and be able to start an anti-inflammatory diet. This course is a basic introduction to nutrition for inflammation. The course has 5 phases. Each phase comes with a PDF of the course topic and a video of myself talking you through the PDF content in detail. Each phase also concludes with some fun challenges that I have designed to help you to put the nutritional knowledge into action in your everyday life. Use this course as a kickstart to understanding your nutrition. Phase 1 focuses on the following topics: understanding your nutrition, understanding information with regards to nutrition, why might you not be able to eat what your friends can, your unique gut microbiome, your immune system, and key challenges for you to begin applying the knowledge you have learnt. Phase 2 is about checking your eating habits and taking a closer look at what you are feeding yourself. Also includes key challenges to help you apply the information that you have learnt so far. Phase 3 includes learning to overcome inflammation for optimized outcomes. Topics include nutrition for anti-inflammation and optimal health, allergies versus intolerances, intolerance testing versus elimination, the role of water in the body, bowel movements, food swaps and alternatives, supplements, and again, key challenges that aim to help you recalibrate with knowledge. Phase 4 includes learning about exercise and its relation to inflammation and nutritional uptake. We cover exercise and its effects on inflammation, an exercise and workout video, and challenges to help you apply the information you have learned so far. Phase 5 is the final phase and is all about integration, piecing it all together with a focus on meal preps using anti-inflammatory foods, a look at 2 simple recipes, an anti-inflammatory food list, a simple way of measuring food and serving amounts, a look inside my food shop, and the final challenges that help you put it all together. I very much look forward to going on a tour de nutrition with you. Bye.